How to sell on AliExpress from USA. Let's get started. Selling on AliExpress from the USA is now more accessible due to AliExpress Direct, an initiative launched in October 2024 to welcome US based retailers to the platform. Here's how you can get started. Visit AliExpress Global Seller Center. Go ahead and launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in login.aliexpress.com. You'll be directed to this page. Now go ahead and provide these details and sign up for AliExpress Global Seller. Type in your country, email address, password. Once you fill this, you can click on register. Complete the business verification process by submitting necessary documents such as your business license and tax identification number. Customize your storefront by adding a unique name, logo, and description to attract potential buyers. Upload high quality images and detailed descriptions of your products. AliExpress offers tools to optimize listings, pricing, and promotions. Handle orders promptly and choose reliable shipping methods to ensure customer satisfaction. Take advantage of AliExpress marketing resources to increase your store's visibility and drive sales. During the introductory period, AliExpress offers US sellers 0% commission and $0 onboarding cost, along with comprehensive marketing and customer service support. By following these steps, you can effectively expand your business to a global audience through AliExpress. So, this is how you can sell on AliExpress from USA. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.